Well, Black First, Land First members are expected to deliver summons at the National Treasury in Pretoria this afternoon, ordering Finance Minister Pravin Gordhan to appear before court. Their members delivered a notice this week demanding that the minister answer allegations that Treasury has misappropriated billions of rands. Our SABC reporter, Tumaole Mohlaoli, is outside the Treasury and we're live to him now. I see some activity behind you there this afternoon, Tumaole. What's happening now?
Well, good afternoon, Kirshni. What is happening now is that just a few moments ago, a large number of Black First, Land First supporters, I would say just about over 20 of them converged here outside the National Treasury's offices. And at the same time, when we got here, we found that there was a substantive police presence. To the right of me, to the left of the screen, I'm standing next to a police nyala. The Tshwane Metro Police are out here in full force. And of course, they are being supported by SABC officers as well, just outside the door of Treasury. Now, according to Black First, Land First, the 48 hours with which they had given National Treasury, in fact, Minister Pravin Gordhan, to respond to their notice and to respond to their demands about allegations that Treasury has been captured have elapsed. But there seems to be some kind of miscommunication or a misunderstanding, because earlier I spoke to officials from Treasury who said that according to their understanding of the court document that was delivered 2 days ago, the 48 hours hasn't elapsed. It is 48 hours in terms of working hours. Now, to get some clarity on this, I'm joined by Angela Mngitama of the Black First, Land First, the leader. You are of the assertion now that you are coming to serve summons to Treasury and specifically Minister Pravin Gordhan to appear before court because the 48 hours has expired. What is actually going on?
Yes, the office of Pravin Gordhan is ducking and diving. We have been talking to them and they had said they would respond to us. Now, our lawyers are advising that we must not do anything that will suggest that we don't take our application seriously. We then waited. Now it is clear that 4 o'clock has come and the office of the registrar at the court is closed for today. And we have not received the response. I just got a call now from the chief of staff in the Department of Risk Management, they say, Mr. Jiba. And he says, actually, they are too busy with the budget. And that is why they have not provided the responses. Our view is that we have a very strong case and we don't want to appear to be undermining the rules of court. We wanted the 48 hours to lapse. In our view, it lapsed at 3:30. From their perspective, there's a contestation on that. So we don't want to fight over small things. We have decided, we have waited for too long for this matter. We have slept outside the Public Protector's office for the 26 billion for over a week, outside every night. We have been in jail for the 26 billion. This one day is nothing. We'll wait. Monday will come back. We'll not take any correspondence from them because from our point of view, it will be absolutely clear that the 48 hours has passed and we must just serve them with those papers.
And what do those papers mean when you serve them on Monday if you should not receive any response?
Well, Monday when we serve those papers, we'll give anyone who wants to oppose our papers, because remember, BLF is appealing to court to declare Pravin conflicted. He's got conflict of interest because Pravin was appointed as a result of pressure from particular white capitalists who have direct interest in Treasury, including the fact that they've stolen from Treasury. And he's there basically to protect their interest. Now, we'll give them 5 days. Anyone who wants to oppose our call to the court to declare Pravin basically conflicted, in fact captured, and from our point of view corrupt. If there's any, including his office, if there's anyone, then the court, of course, will give a date where the matter will be resolved. It is not an urgent application, but is an application, nevertheless, which must go into the court system.
All right, thank you very much. That was Mr. Andile Mngitama just giving us the Black First, Land First perspective on what is happening. According to their understanding, the 48 hours has elapsed, but they have taken legal opinion that, of course, they have to give a reasonable time to Treasury to respond. I did, of course, earlier try to get a response or get an official from Treasury to come and respond and state their side of the story, with which I was told that the matter is still as it stands. They have accepted the document from Black First, Land First, and they will be looking at their options. As I said, the mood is vibrant, but it is calm. The police are keeping a close eye on the situation, but there is no tension in the air, so to speak. And with that, it's back to you in the studio.
Tumaole Mohlaoli coming to us from outside the National Treasury in Pretoria.